Forget Etsy. We made $30,119 per month using 2 platforms that are not Etsy. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down exactly, step by step, how we did it so you can do it too. Because here's the truth. Etsy has become risky. Sellers have been getting hit with higher fees, lower visibility, and sometimes, out of nowhere, shop shutdowns that wipe out years worth of work. But this is not a doom and gloom video. I want to show you the 2 platforms that we use to take back control, scale past 30K per month, and never worry about Etsy again. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap you can implement right away. Remember when Thanos snapped his fingers and half the Avengers just disappeared? That's exactly what Etsy is doing to sellers. Except instead of superheroes, it's your income stream that vanishes. Unfortunately, Etsy is becoming increasingly unreliable. Sellers are reporting fee hikes that eat into profits, shops suspended without warning or explanation, declining profitability even for seasoned sellers. And yes, Etsy still has traffic. It's like renting a store in Times Square. You'll get eyes on your shop, but you'll also pay for it, and you don't have control over your lease. The average Etsy transaction fee is over 9.5% once you add listing, transaction, and payment fees. On a $20 sale, that's nearly $2 gone instantly. Add in promoted listings or ads, you could be losing 20 to 30% per sale. One creator I spoke to built her shop to 5K per month, only to wake up to an email that said, "Your shop has been permanently closed due to violation." No warning, no appeal, years of hard work gone. And that is not something you want to happen to a business that you have built. Running a business on Etsy is like renting a car. You pay the fees, you use it for a while, but at any moment, the rental company can take the car back. You don't own it. And this isn't to say Etsy is useless. It's fine for testing products and catching buyer intent traffic. But long term, if you really want freedom, you need platforms where you have true ownership. Have you ever had a problem with Etsy? Fees, shutdowns, or slow sales? Drop your story in the comments. I want to hear your experience. And if you want to learn our entire process along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Here's the thing, you want to choose searchable topics. Start with tutorials, how-to videos, and problem-solving content. An example could be how to create printables in Canva for free. You really want to get into a rhythm to batch record your videos. It's going to save you so much energy and time. One filming day can give you a month's worth of content. Here at Freedom Creators, we shoot 8 videos in 2 days. Might sound like a lot, but once you get into that rhythm and figure out what works for you, it really is worth it, and it's so helpful for your time and energy. Always include a freebie call to action in your videos. Something like download my free digital product idea generator. This is what's gonna move viewers from YouTube to your email list. And your email list is where you're gonna continue to sell for months and even years. You're gonna build your authority with your long form content. 8 to 15-minute videos position you as the expert. Short form is flashy, long-term sells. On our channel, YouTube alone brings in anywhere from 2,500 to 3,500 new email subscribers every month. That's not views, those are leads. And the best part, a video you publish today can still generate traffic and sales 3 years from now. That's why we call YouTube an asset platform. So we know that YouTube is the traffic machine, but where do you send that traffic? That's where System.io comes in. Think of System.io as your online headquarters. It combines email marketing, funnels, checkout pages, and automation all in one free tool. And guess what? You can create a free account. Unlike Kajabi or ClickFunnels, there is no monthly fee to start. Then you're gonna go ahead and set up your free freebie funnel. So for example, a 1-page opt-in that delivers your free checklist. Then your focus is gonna be on building your first email sequence. And this is gonna be automated. You're gonna start with anywhere from 5 to 7 emails. So here's a breakdown example. Email 1, you deliver the freebie. Email 2, share your story. Email 3, teach a quick win. Email 4, this is where you're gonna transition into your paid offer. And then emails 5 to 7, this is where you're gonna build trust with your viewers and direct them to checkout. And guess what? You can create your checkout page right in System.io. And it's so simple, there are no tech headaches, you simply just drag and drop. With this setup, one of our funnels takes somebody from our freebie to a $59 workshop to a $19 upsell. That funnel alone generates $10,000 plus per month consistently. Do you see how this gives you ownership? System.io plus YouTube gives you that. No more shop shutdown emails. You control the list, the product, and the checkout process. Imagine walking into Target for toothpaste and walking out with socks, a blender, and a candle. That is the power of an upsell, and you can use the same concept digitally. Upsells increase the value of every customer without extra ad spend. System.io makes one-click upsells so simple. For example, you're selling a $49 digital course. After checkout, you're gonna offer a $19 workbook add-on. We have seen that 20 to 30% of buyers actually do add that upsell. That is pure extra revenue. Another variation is the opposite, a downsell. If somebody says no, offer a smaller product at a lower price point. In 1 month, a simple $19 upsell added $3,800 in extra revenue from the same buyers we already had. This is how you can scale without burning out. This is so doable for anyone. I'm telling you. You do not need 10 new products, just smarter packaging of what you already have. And if you'd like our exact YouTube script template so you can script your videos and grow on YouTube, you can grab it completely free in the link in the description below this video. So you might be wondering, okay, but how does this all stack into a system that generates 30K plus per month? I got you. Here is the actual flow. You create a video that has a freebie call to action that sends them to the System.io email sequence, which then sends them to the checkout page, which includes the upsell. So each YouTube video is an entry point. Each freebie is your lead magnet. Every relationship builds that relationship, and each checkout is a sale. This exact system produced $30,119 last month for us. And it's not just a viral hack. It's repeatable, predictable, and scalable. The beauty is, once you've built this, it runs without you being on the front lines. I mean, literally, it runs even when you're not working. That is true ownership, something Etsy could never really give you. So here's what I really want you to walk away with. Etsy is fine for testing, but it is a rented space. You don't have control. YouTube and System.io are ownership platforms. Build your business here and you cannot be shut down overnight. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just follow the flow. YouTube, freebie, emails, checkout, upsell. And most importantly, you can do this. We started from scratch and scaled to 30K plus per month. So seriously, if we can, so can you. The only difference is whether you start now or wait another 6 months and get stuck in Etsy's cycle. Now, if you want to discover the perfect profitable digital product for you, you can download our totally free profitable digital product discovery bot. Now that you know how we replaced Etsy with platforms we actually own, you might be wanting to learn how to start selling your first digital products with zero upfront cost. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this video next, because when you pair what you just learned with what is in this video, it is so much more powerful. I'll see you in the next video.